Hello and welcome, and in today's video we're going to continue with collective nouns. Okay, let's start. Collective noun for warriors is what we call a troop. Collective noun for warriors is what we call a troop. Hope you can note the spelling. Double O, troop. Collective noun for directors is what we call a board. Collective noun for directors is what we call board. And hope today you know what collective noun means. Directors in Luganda be bakulu b'ekitongole. For example, it might be a school, liyinza okuba essomero oba company. So collective noun y'abakulu b'ekitongole oba essomero gye bayita bond in English. Bond. Okay, so collective noun for sailors. Sailors is what we call a crew. Once again, collective noun for sailors is what we call crew in English. Sailors in Luganda be basaabazi b'oku mazzi. Sailors. Sailors, abasaabazi b'oku mazzi. So collective noun for sailors is what we call crew. Abasaabazi b'oku mazzi mu Luzungu tubayita ba sailors. So webaba nga bali bangi tubayita crew in English. Okay, let's proceed. Collective noun for singers is what we call choir. Collective noun for singers is what we call a choir. Once again, singers, when they are many, they form what we call a choir. Singers in Luganda, they are called abayimbi. Abayimbi. So abayimbi baba bangi tubayita choir. Baforminga kye tuyita choir. It is C-H-O-I-R. Choir. Okay, let's proceed. Collective noun for dancers is what we call a group. Collective noun for dancers is what we call a group of dancers. So abazinyi betuyita ba dancers mu Luganda. Dancers, abazinyi. So abazinyi baba bangi baforminga what we call a group of dancers. So collective noun for dancers is what we call a group. Okay, let's proceed. Collective noun for thieves is a pack. Collective noun for thieves is pack. Once again, a collective noun for thieves is called pack. Thieves in Luganda be babbi. Ababbi. So ababbi baba bangi nga kibinja ky'ababbi tukiyita pack in English. So a pack of thieves. Kitegeeza ababbi, akabinja k'ababbi nga bangi. They are thieves. A collective noun for thieves is pack. Okay, let's proceed. Collective noun for players. Players is what we call team. Collective noun for players is what we call team. Players in Luganda be bazanyi. Be bazanyi. Bayinza okuba abazanyi b'omupiira, abazanyi ba basketball n'ebirala bingi. So collective noun for players is what we call a team. They form what we call a team. Abazanyi nga bangi bakola kye tuyita team. Okay, that is it for today. Hope you've learned something. Bye bye. Weraba.